Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the Xiaomi Smart Camera C201. So this is the Xiaomi C201 Smart Camera, which is a surveillance camera, and we're going to set it up. And the first step will be to connect it and power it on. So we're going to take the USB-C cable that came with the set, or just pretty much any USB-C cable, and we're going to connect it so the device powers on. So here, as you can see, the light is blinking and the camera could start speaking randomly, so don't be alarmed. And the next thing that we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play or pretty much anywhere else. And we're going to open it up, log in, and once we're logged in, we're going to go to the Xiaomi Home tab, press on the plus icon on the top right, and we can either press on scan or add device.
Please
so
use the mobile phone scan the QR code
scan,
on the body labeled and the configuration
then we're going to
interface.
take the camera. Wish the camera could shut up because it's not letting me continue with the video, but we have the little sticker on the bottom which has a QR code. And then we're going to scan it with our device. So we're going to point the camera at the QR code. There we go. It's going to ask us to reset the device, and to do that we need to take it, make sure that it's powered on, and then hold the button for 7 seconds. So we're going to do that now. Just hold the button on the back for 7 seconds. So there we go, the reset has been complete. Now it's going to keep on talking, and once we've done that, we're going to press device reset, and then we have the Wi-Fi connection. So we're going to select the Wi-Fi network that we want our camera to connect to. So just select the network that is available, type in the password, agree to the policy, and press next. So now we're going to wait for the device to connect, and once it's done, all should be pretty much ready to work. So there we go, the device has been connected, and now we can select which room we want to put our device in. So this is pretty much an option that allows you to sort all of the smart devices by rooms. And we're just going to select the room that the device is currently in. Let's select living room, for example. Tap next. And then we can name our device. So once it's named, we can tap next. And then we can do display large cards on the homepage, which allows you to see the camera's preview on the homepage without tapping on it. I'll show you what it looks like. So once we press next, agree. And if we return, this is what it looks like. So we'll have this live preview of the camera right on our homepage. So now we can tap on the camera, tap open, and we're going to be set up. So this is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.